Welcome back. This is the last video in the series on how to solve a Rubik's Cube for complete beginners. Thanks for sticking with me. There's also going to be one bonus video that makes the beginner method a lot faster, but for now, this is all you need to know to solve a Rubik's Cube in its entirety. So we're going to go from this case where you have the yellow cross with all of the edge pieces in the correct positions and all of the corner pieces in the correct positions. And then we're going to go to the fully solved Rubik's Cube. So at this point, we've been holding it like this the whole time, where we have white on the bottom and yellow on top. At this point, you're going to turn over the cube like this. So then you just start anywhere on the cube. We basically want, yellow to be here, orange to be here, and green to be here. And sometimes you'll have cases where this corner is already in the correct spot, so then you can just skip this corner. But it happens to be, in this case, that none of them are in the correct spots. So I'll just show you what to do. So here, you're going to do the right algorithm, just the basic one that I already taught you. So I'll go do that. And you keep doing it until the corner piece is in the correct spot. Okay, so I was checking mentally, but basically at this point, you need to check and make sure that the corner is in the right spot after each time you do the right algorithm. And so we see it's correct. It's orange, green, yellow, orange, green, yellow. So be really careful when you're doing this step. You have to follow what I'm doing exactly, or you're going to mess up the cube entirely and you're going to have to start over, which is super frustrating in the beginning when you don't know how to solve the Rubik's Cube fast. I kept doing that and it was really annoying. So you need to make sure that each time you do the right algorithm, you do the whole right algorithm. So sometimes this upper move is not really necessary to get this piece actually in the correct spot, but you need to keep doing the upper move or it's not going to work. Then the other important thing is we want to solve this next corner, but you do not rotate the cube. Do not rotate the cube. Do not rotate the cube. Okay, that was a bit dramatic, but yes, it is super easy to forget to do this. You want to rotate the bottom layer, okay? You do not rotate the entire cube. You just move the bottom layer like that. And then you just do it like before. So right algorithm. Make sure to check in between. Okay, now we have this cube is in the correct spot. Then we want to rotate the bottom layer, and then we do the right algorithm. And then now this one is in the correct spot. Rotate the bottom layer, and then we do it again. And then the Rubik's Cube is solved. This is a really exciting moment the first time that you do it. So thanks so much for watching this video series. If you liked it, please share and subscribe. I wanted this to be the easiest possible tutorial for solving a Rubik's Cube, and I hope that it was helpful. If you learned how to solve a Rubik's Cube from this video, please let me know. That is super exciting for me. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next videos.